Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sin x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to cosine x dx. This one we change by u. Cosine x dx we change by du. The integration of sine u, we have negative cosine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sin x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.